Hey guys, Josh with My Baby Detailing here. Today we're coating this 2022 TA Challenger, and today specifically on this Challenger we're actually going through and using two different ceramic coatings. We have this matte specific coating for the hood, the roof, and the rear deck lid, and the spoiler, and then the rest of the car is getting our infinite lifetime guarantee coating on all the paint, the stickers on the side. This thing's going to look excellent when it's all said and done.
Yeah, I woke up feeling grateful, thankful, everything that I prayed for came so. I be feeling so grateful, got me feeling so grateful. Yeah, I woke up feeling grateful, thankful, everything that I prayed for came so. I be feeling so grateful, got me feeling so grateful. Okay, I dream in color, but I live in moments. I see the world in stories, so I always told them. I think I always had a knack for love. Only thing is I ain't know it, but it's funny how it changed when you notice it. Or how you gotta let go to get a hold of it. Homie wrote a split up, feeling like I'm 6'1", even though I'm 5'8". It's a mind state, and you know I'm 10 toes down for you. Deep as ocean blue, we could roll with the crew. Spread love like we supposed to do. Can we been have blessings, but it's loads of new ones. It's on their way still, so on my grave, just tell the world I'm grateful. I always got a seat at my table, so you could pull a seat up. I know I don't sleep much, every time I do when I'm